Own this stunning, 1,100 plus square feet townhouse for under $350,000. The bright, free-flowing floor plan was built with the entertainer in mind. Step right into the large living room with lovely open banister staircase and huge picture window. Eat-in kitchen offers a spacious dining area with back deck access, stainless steel appliances and gas cooking. 3 ample-sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Expand your living area down to the full basement, great for a game room or home office space. You'll love entertaining at the end of the summer/fall on the gorgeous stone patio while you grill or roast s'mores. This home has been meticulously maintained and is move-in ready. Settled right off Route 104 minutes to Bridgewater State, Route 28, Route 18, Route 106 and more. This is a commuter's dream location. Call to schedule your showing before it's gone.